Well, g'day curd nerds. Welcome to day 13 of the Cheese a Day challenge, and today's cheese is King Island Dairy Phoques Cove Camembert. Well, this is obviously not real Camembert because real Camembert comes from Normandy in France, but this is the King Island Dairy version of Camembert. So Phoques Cove is a cove on the island itself. So it's part of Tasmania. King Island is actually in between Victoria and Tasmania, the states of Tasmania and Victoria. Okay, so the ingredients for this cheese are milk, salt, non-animal rennet, mineral salt 509, which we've since ascertained is calcium chloride, and starter cultures. So that's what's in. It's in a nice wrapper, 200 grams. It cost me $5.60 on special. Normally it's about $11. So I managed to track this one down a couple of days before its best before date. So let's crack into it and have a look at the Camembert, shall we? So it's in silver paper, the micro perforated silver paper that you normally get with these sorts of cheeses. But this one's a little bit special. It's got its own special packaging. It's not your standard white stuff. Seems to have contained the mould okay. There we go. Yeah, you can see all the little holes in the paper that allow it to breathe during its storage and stuff. So it's a bit soft in the middle. I can feel it through the rind. Nice even rind all the way around, really good. Certainly beats the dolphin that we had yesterday as far as rind coverage goes. So let's crack into it and have a look what it tastes like, shall we? So I'll just do a little wedge. Comes out fairly clean. Now I don't have any crackers with me today, so I'm going to have to go by myself. Let's have a look. So nice yellow paste, a little bit squishy in the middle. I brought this one up to room temperature. Outside temperature today is about 21, just on about 21 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty good. So it's not super runny, but let's have a taste, shall we? Earthy, mushroomy, just a little bit of kind of that's what it tastes like. Nice and smooth in the middle, a little bit hard around the outside of the paste. So not your typical homemade sort of Camembert where it's runny around the outside. This is quite firm and a little bit runny in the middle. I think it's more of probably a stabilised paste the way they've done it. But yeah, it tastes really nice. Really good cheese. I really do like the products from King Island Dairy, though. I think they're very good. I'd even pay full price. So, no, it's very nice. It's the creamy and the buttery flavours that come with this cheese. Very nice. I know this is from pasteurised milk, but it really does fit the bill. I've never tasted a raw milk Camembert from Normandy, so I wouldn't know the difference. But as far as the Australian Camembert styles go, this is pretty good. I'll have just a little bit more. I think it deserves a second taste. The smell's just amazing. Did I mention rich? It's very rich. Doesn't say they've added cream, but I think they might have added a little bit. One thing I didn't check was the butter fat. Let's see if I can see that in the label. No, it's covered by the reduce sticker, so I can't see. I would say it's probably about 30, maybe 32% fat. That's how creamy it is, so very nice. Well, this was a bit of a success. I dare say Kim will probably like this one too. This is a really nice cheese. Can't say much more about it. Nice, earthy tones, a little bit mushroomy, creamy, rich, buttery, those sort of textures and flavours. Very nice. Phoques Cove Camembert from King Island Dairy. I really like this one. Very nice indeed. Anyway, tomorrow's cheese is going to be Edam, and it's a Edam cheese that's a generic Aldi brand. So Aldi's the third supermarket chain here in Australia. It's a German-owned company, but we'll check out what Edam tastes like. This is imported from Holland, or from the Netherlands, sorry. Holland's a district in the Netherlands. So we'll check out Edam tomorrow. Anyway, thanks for watching the series as usual. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so you get informed of more content, and hit that little bell so you get notified. Well, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.